Hello, so in this video I will show you how to recall a mail in Outlook. So the first thing you want to do is go to the bottom left corner in your search bar, and here you want to search up Outlook, and you want to open Outlook Classic because you cannot do it in the new one. So you want to open up your Outlook Classic, and the first thing you want to do is just to send a new mail to someone, so we have a mail we can recall. I just call it email recall, and I just want to put some words in here, and then I click on send. And then I want to go to my send items, and here I want to double tap on the email, and then I can click on files in the left corner, top corner, and here I want to click on send again or recall email. So I click on that one, and then I click on recall this email, and here they ask you if you want to delete this message, or if you want to delete this message and like send a new one instead of that. But I just want to delete it, so I click on OK, and now I have recalled the email, and then in your inbox you'll get a email if it's succeeded or if it's not succeeded. In the most cases it will succeed because you will do it right after you send it.